What is this? I don't like this. Yeah, there's nothing more fun than being back in school.
Just give it a chance, Jax. Jeez.
How did you know this was my suggestion?
Can you believe this, Pomni? First she draws anime, and now she drags us all into one? She must be one of them, losers. This is boring. I vote we skip it. Slice of life animes are the worst ones. It's embarrassing. I mean, I guess it's not as embarrassing as that time Gangle took an anime figure and...
Actually, yeah! Let's skip it, that's fine. Let's skip this one.